Hi guys, Shazada here. Today we'll be unboxing the VR charging base for MetaQuest 3. Let's unbox it first. So this, why would you need this one? Well, the biggest pro is like if you're using it a lot and you want something like a docking station which makes your device is always ready to be used, which is for your headset, and then the controllers. This is one of the options you can go. There's a discount going on, or if you can get it on Amazon Prime deals, you can get it close to £30, while it's usually between £50 to £60, or $50 to $60. So, 1 second. Let's get this is the. It tells you what you get. You get like a charger with a USB cable, then you get two covers which you need for your controllers, so they will stick, and then you will get two cells as well, which are 1800 milliamp battery. So let's get this one out. Okay, so first of all, okay, this is your bottom. If I'm yeah, so this is the bottom. These are for your controllers. You can see there are, you have these two connectors. That's how you will charge your controllers. So these are your rechargeable batteries. This is a hook which will go in the middle to hold your device itself. So how will you install it? So this will go like, because the RGB side will, the RGB you will be facing towards you. So you're gonna plug it in like that. Okay, make sure it's sitting properly. Yeah. No. Okay, so here you can see this is seated properly. The charger it comes with, it's close to 18 watts. So if you have like an adapter which can provide enough power, you can charge it. You can use another adapter as well to provide a bit less power. But you know, obviously the charging will be a bit slow, so it depends on you. So if you want to use like a USB which is a bit low powered, you can use that as well. So here what you will do is, let me see. So we're gonna plug this out, take it out. Yeah, this is will go. So as you can see, there's a hook here. So there is a plug. They will just sit in normally. It's just they are not as modular compared with your old one, because these are like really easy to just like you plug in, you press in, and they just come out. Well, this one you have to be a bit. Okay, so let's take it out. So another thing though, which you will need, I'm just looking for because these cells have a small USB-C plug, which you will need to plug in. And for some reason, I can't find them. Okay, this doesn't have it. I'm just rechecking everything. This doesn't have it either. Okay, I'm just gonna recheck the box. No, I can't find them. Okay, let me find them and I'll start the video again. Yeah, me being dummy. These are here. So you see like these. So yeah. So what we'll do is, you see like here, these are magnetic ones, so that's nice. Okay, so they're gonna go inside your. Sorry, yeah, they're gonna go inside your cells there. Okay, so these are plugged in. Okay. They're meant to sit like that. So it's gonna be, okay, so now they're seated in here properly. This will, it has a cable, and then you can just plug. Another thing is you're gonna take this bit out, and this will sit in, and that should lock up. Now your headset will just rest on this bit. Okay, so what you can do is, because just to make sure your headsets don't drop, put that thingy in the middle. So right, so like now, because this goes, these will sit in between for you, so that way your headphones are headsets, they're always steady, even if they fall, they won't fall out. So now you can, here, this will just go inside here to charge it up. To turn it back on, wait, you know what, I might have put it the wrong way. So we're just gonna turn it, yeah. I think it goes like this. I'm thinking, I'm not sure. Yes, yeah, it goes like this on this way. Now it is much more sturdy, it's seated properly. As you can see, this goes in between. And yeah, so now we're gonna charge it. So at the back there is your charger. This is like a 65 watt, so a little bit faster. You can change the RGB mode. You can turn it on. You can see, yeah. Well, your headsets are being charged, so we gotta find out why these are not being charged. These are not charging. As you can see, there's a bit of light here. Okay. So let's find out. Let's. Okay. Is it something like in a particular way you gotta put it in? Yeah, let's just put it like normal. Let's see. Yeah. So I think they just work only if it's in the middle. Okay, yeah. Okay, everything else is working. I'm gonna figure out why these are not working, because this does come with, as you can see, the 4 USB plugs instead of 2. So might be I'm missing something. I'm just gonna have a look, and yeah, that will be it. But in case, as you can see, it's charging your device as well. So if you have a fast charger, you can use that one. If you have like minimum 18 watts, it will charge as well. Okay, this will be it. I'll put like what I did or what I missed in the other bit. Yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.